Hello student. Today we will discuss about example related to trapezoidal rules. So as we discussed in previous video, formula of trapezoidal rule is the function f of x which is defined between the limit of x0 and xn is equal to width of the strip which is h divided by 2 into first and last term y0 and y1 plus 2 into summation of all other terms, where x0 is the lower limit of the function, xn is the upper limit of the function, n is the number of interval, and h which is the width of the strip. So now example number 1. Use the trapezoidal rule with n is equal to 4 to estimate function f of x which is x 0 to 2 into dx. So in this example, number of interval is equal to 4 and limit is 0 to 2. So this is the limit 0 to 2. Function is x and number of interval is 4. So we have to first of all find the width of the strip which is h. So h is equal to b minus a upon n. So b is equal to upper limit, a is equal to lower limit. So 2 minus 0 upon number of interval is 4. So this is h which is 0.5. Now our interval is becomes like this. So this is the one, first is 0. Now interval of 0.5, second is 0.5, 0.5, third is 1, fourth is 1.5, and fifth is 2. So you can see here the interval is 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Now we have to prepare one table like this. You can say see the value of x here, 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5 and 2. And what is the our function is f of x is equal to x. So this is the x. So f of x is equal to x. So same is here. Now the formula of trapezoidal rule is h by 2, first term, last term plus 2 into all other terms. So by putting in the formula, you can say here y0 is 0, yn is equal to 2. So here it is 0, 2 and 2 into summation of all other means this one, all others term summation, and you get the value is 2. Also if we integrate x dx from 0 to 2, so we know the integration of x is equal to x square by 2, x square by 2, and the limit is 2 to 0. So if I give the limit 2 to 0 in this equation, you will find the value same as you get here. So this is the one type of check. Now second example, in that function f of x is equal to 1 by x and the limit is 1 to 3. So h is equal to b minus a means 3 minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0.5. Now prepare the table of value of x. You can say here 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5 and 3. The width of the interval is 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. What is our function? F of x is equal to 1 by x. So 1 by x here, 1 by x. So by putting a value of x, you can find the value of y. So 1 by x is equal to 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. 1 upon 1.5, you can find this 1 upon 2 0.5, 1 upon 2.5 is 0.4, and 1 by 3 is equal to 0.333. Now what is the function of trapezoidal rule? This is the rule of trapezoidal. Now putting the value in the formula, and you will find the answer of 1.1166. For checking if we know the formula for this 1 upon x into dx integration of, so we know the 1 upon x is equal to log natural x, so ln x, so limit is 3 to 1. By putting the 3 to 1 and you find this value in the calculator, you will find the value which is very near to this one. Now third example is function f of x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square, and the limit is 1 to 3. So the width of strip h is equal to b minus a, means 3 minus 1 by 4, so this is 0.5. Now prepare the table and write the value of x and find the value of y is equal to f of x, which is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. So you will going to put the value of x here and find the value of f of x. Same way you will put this 1.5, 2, 2.5 and 3, and you will find this value of f of x. Now putting this value in the formula of trapezoidal, you will find the answer 0.69781. Now sometimes it is happen that in the example number of interval is not given, so we have to assume the number of interval. In assumption of number of interval, we don't have to assume so much interval so that our example become too lengthy or too difficult. Also we have to not assume that much less interval, so our answer is more approximate. It should be very near to the exact one. So here I am assuming the number of interval is equal to 4. You can assume number of interval is equal to 6 also, but right now I am assuming this is equal to 4. So n is equal to 4, then h is equal to b minus a upon n. That means b is equal to pi, a is equal to 0, and n is equal to 4. So our width of strip is equal to pi by 4. Now we have to prepare one table and putting the value of x. Interval is x by 4, x by 4. So you can find here 0, pi by 4. Now 2 pi by 4 here, 2 pi by 4. So this is pi by 2. 2 pi by 4 means pi by 2. Next 3 pi by 4 and 4 pi by 4 means pi. Now putting this value in the function, our function is sin x. So putting the value of x in the sin x, you will find this value. Now by putting this y value in the formula of trapezoidal rule, you will find the answer of 1.8961. Also we know the integration of sin x is equal to minus cos x. So by putting the value of limit, so first of all we have to set our calculator to radian mode, because this is the limit is in radian. So you will find this value in the calculator is 2, and this is we get the value 1.89. So we conclude that trapezoidal rule is the approximate rule. In the Simpson 1/3 and Simpson 3/8 rule is the more very near to the exact one. We are going to see this Simpson 1/3 rule and Simpson 3/8 rule in the next upcoming video. Thank you, students.